Good afternoon, I'm Brian Abel. Here are your headlines from 7 Action News. Police asking for your help locating a person of interest in connection with a deadly shooting of a man in East Point. Investigators believe Alita Evans may have information about the death of a 25-year-old. He was found shot in a parking lot outside the Oakwood Senior Living Center on Nels Avenue near 9 Mile and Gratiot. A gun was found at the scene. If you have information, give East Point Police a call. The search on for a man behind a smash and grab in Wyandotte. Police releasing these photos of the suspect. It happened at the Marathon gas station on Eureka Road near 3rd Street. Police say the suspect is about 5'7", thin build, brown hair, and in his early 20s. They say he may also have an injured hand. If you have information, contact Wyandotte Police. Now let's get a check on weather with Mike Taylor. Mike?
We're still dodging the rain showers, but they're still evident on radar. We're down to around 55 degrees for tonight. Showers will be possible. Even a few rumbles of thunder can't be ruled out. Once we get into Father's Day, we'll hit a high of 73 thanks to some peaks of sunshine, but we'll still have a chance of rain. I'm thinking in the first part of the day, by the late afternoon and the evening hours, things should begin to dry up a little bit, and we'll stay dry once we get into your Monday evening. Tuesday and Wednesday looks okay, but rain returns Wednesday night into Thursday with highs holding steady in the 70s.
A recall warning tonight. Nearly 250,000 pounds of frozen breakfast wraps are being recalled because they may have some small rocks inside of them. The CL Monterey egg, potato, bacon, and cheese sauce breakfast wraps. They were sold in 8-packs with the best if used by dates of January 17th and 18th of 2020. If you have them, toss them out or return them for a refund. Well, those are your headlines. Remember, you can go to WXYZ.com for your news anytime. I'm Brian Abel. Have a great day.